Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Very good evening. Have a good day, good night, with a grateful happiness, good wishes of the great good every year, new year, and every beginning you are starting work and day and night. Most welcome. Thank you very much, all friend of the Facebook, YouTube, international television channel, who they love us and they love our messages, program planning of the great sciences, general model, all kind, general educations, description, detail, knowledges, and the all lesson and subject talking studio. We have also already given you every month, every week, every new happy year in the all good life ways, all of the celebrating and traditional national day and worldwide famous popular days. So we are joining and looking to forwarding and to making to gathering to know each other, to know very well as a brotherhood and its greatest international worldwide humanity relationship, friendship with all communities, all humanities, all humankind services, department unities, and the community societies. Most welcome with the all happy days, with good wishes, with good luck for the every work, every successful efforts, and the togethering make a friendship truly honestly with all whole world, for every nation in the all whole countries of the worldwide on the earth. So must we have to take carefully and the make love, humanity, humankind services, humankind resources, humankind services, supporting, helping, financial assistance, helping to make good truly honestly for peace, love, brotherhood, and for the justice in the worldwide in all our countries of the humanite, needful, successful, and the linking and connecting us on over the greatest, very popular and famous international internet division link communication YouTube channel, television channel, which belong the universal all speeches, the very important VIP take television belong whole world journal, all modern computerized sciences, education, and the religious community, religious topics, religious education guidance, talking, researching for the good result, for the bright future, for the all humanity, humankind services, resources. We have much to know and we have much to help in the worldwide for humanity. So who they are loving humanity, humankind resources to make powerful, successful, helping for peace and justice in all whole countries in the worldwide. So most welcome my all dear friends, Facebook friends, Instagram friends, all Twitter friend, all Facebook friend, all old and new friend of the international, worldwide, global-wise internet division, communication, link, friendship, and the contract to visiting us, and we would like to also visiting you all our friends and successful, honest humanity, helpful friends from the all countries, from the any society of community of government community or humankind royal community, all in the worldwide educational university, humankind resources and unities and communities and societies which belong to help and support, and most welcome to all uh, human rights, human kind services and humanity, human rights to make helpful, successful financially, and all kind of the successful helping support in the all various kind of the worldwide. So I hopefully joining, asking and connecting on the international worldwide YouTube channel. My special VIP messages for uh, universal all voices speeches, very important. VIP Tech television, amazing, incredible, all kind of the education, helping, supporting human right and humankind services, talking studio. Alhamdulillah, we have been servicing on the internet international division from the 35 to 45 to until now, and regularly and continuing and giving you message, planning program, education detail, science and new modern education, computer technology, religious, special, amazing, incredible, true and truth way of the education to guide and helping, supporting in the worldwide on the international YouTube television channel. Our messages you can find easily. The name of our channel on the YouTube. My name is the Shahanshah Jahan Alamgir. YouTube, Gmail international contact address, and the Gmail YouTube channel page name, and the channel page name, the Universal All Voices, All Speeches, very important VIP Tech television, very important, incredible, amazing, all kind of the general education, religious education, new modern computerized scientist educational talking studio. Uh, you can find easily and contact easily online on WhatsApp, emails, on the Facebook directly on the with a message. You can contact, give me good message, good relation, to communicate us, and we will follow you and follow all whole world of the worldwide. There are more than 300 countries in the worldwide, and many Muslim countries, many Christians countries. There are many Hindu and Sikhism countries. There are Yahudiism countries. After that, all that I would like to tell you, inform you. I am belonging as a Muslim, real Muslim, true Muslim leader, doctor, philosopher, and professor. The all worldwide educational department, research department chairman, and this uh, YouTube all voices speeches, universal VIP Tech television, amazing, incredible, all kind of the education, science, religious kinds of education, to guide, helping, talking studio, and we have also continue already introducing on the Facebook my international worldwide global university name, which I have introduced on the internet, YouTube over channels, and the YouTube international television channels. This name is the greatest king of the all worldwide global scholars, philosophers, the Al-Hajj Dilbag Muhammad Al-Mustafa, worldwide Islamic university, and the all educational and the religious educational universities and academies, colleges, educational program we are developing and introducing in our the branch of the worldwide Shahanshah Jahan Alamgir, the Jung, greatest Jung, history's time recording records, history research records, the greatest library worldwide record, and the research department new and oldest history time records. We are following and introducing one by one as a season of the year of the month, which are going in the worldwide season, like humanity season, human rights season, humankind helping supporting season is a very famous and very popular topic we are always used to use for worldwide for all human kind service resources. Contact us, we are contacting you. You are following us on the Twitter, on the YouTube television channels, over Facebook and Instagram, and especially there are on the internet worldwide global division, Facebook division. We have many our pages, uh, many hundreds our planning program and Facebook pages is introducing from the 35 years on the international worldwide internet communication division. So who they are looking and following us and forwarding us, connecting, linking on the communication system and the over as a humanity field and with the good community and the unities and the NGOs and department and the worldwide UNO department, human rights UNO department, all in the world countries contact us, follow us, help us. We are also helping in the education field, in new modern computerized system education field, and also we have connected, continue already regularly with the NASA, International National Association Authority of the Space Satellite Headquarter Division from the US, United States of America, from Russia, from Australia, from Japan, from China, and from European countries. We are also welcoming to most welcome to making good friendship for the helping supporting human rights, humankind services, for the greatest peace, love, humanity, love, brother as a brotherhood, helping and supporting in the education field, in the all worldwide information, news, media, television channel, a special true way of the talking education, incredible education, new, moderate, and the latest news for the helping to supporting on the worldwide for humanity truly honestly. So I have to inform and I wish like to tell you you must have to contact and the support our all program planning in the internet division, international division, which is belong from the earth whole, from the whole world of the worldwide, from the east, west, north, and south, from the about more than 300 countries belong using internet division, worldwide internet division. Always many billion people, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls in universities and colleges in all department of the worldwide, they are using billions fan and friends and population of the humanity societies, humanity, humankind services and all department. So must you have to contact and appreciate and to make a friendship and welcome us. And we are also already welcoming and inviting from the 35 years to make our university program education internet division and the university education program and helping and supporting to make a peaceful love, brotherhood, humanity, humankind services in the worldwide. I hopefully you are joining very gratefully and truly honestly. So you must have to follow us truly honestly as a humankind, human rights. That is a perfect and very important and very grateful humankind services department branches to working in the whole worldwide truly honestly. We love to God, to pray, and to trust and love to greatest holy God of the whole universal. They are also looking forward and helping, giving blessings on our all prayer time, day and night, every day, and to giving us blessing and successful supporting, helping in our all efforts, in our all mission of work for the peace and world, brotherhood, love, brotherhood, humanity, human rights, human kind services. Truly, honestly, that is a very, very perfect and grateful service I have, and hopefully asking from the all government of the international nationals, countries of the worldwide and our countries from the worldwide, all NGOs and the whole world, international education, universities, academies, schools, colleges, department, unity, chairman and groups, most welcome. You join us very, very truly, honestly. That is a very perfect and the grateful time of the 2001 century. Understand that is a 21st century is going on, and after we will not excuse and you will not shame, because that is a time. Don't waste and don't hesitate our mission and grateful humanity, humankind services, humankind services supporting in our many various kind of the field. We have about 1,000 topic of the greatest new modern science is a computerized system, technical system, educational field, and we have a 1,000 topic of the religious greatest religions of the worldwide. In the they are praying and believing. There are billion followers in the many countries of the worldwide, from east and west and north and south. In all countries, they belong famous religious like Christianity is the greatest and oldest religious. We also love and follow him and the giving the Bible and the Torah and Zabur and Injil books, holy book of the God description, detail, and the true education to guiding, helping, supporting on worldwide humanity and humankind services for the truth and truth path and truly honestly service of the humanity and the true education and true path. That is a very grateful and very, very important and grateful service. I hope the Holy Greatest God always help us and giving us greatest support, blessing, and I believe and trust and love greatest Holy God of the whole universal. That is a very, very incredible, amazing blessing. I believe and trust and want to get to pray to greatest holy God of the universal. The God is a very, very powerful, almighty, powerful, grateful, and greatest, holy, gracious, and merciful. We believe and trust. So I don't know how many Christianity and Christians in the worldwide. Like I know that is a very simple answer. Billions Christian in the worldwide and very oldest historical religious. Maybe they have many branches, kind of the religious branches. But the main topic Christianity, Christian Bible, great holy book Bible. Who they believe true path, true education of the greatest holy God, King of the whole universal greatest King, holy greatest King and God. So also Yahudiism in Israel. I don't know how many Yehudi correctly and truly, but Israel division, department, Arab countries, and in American and European countries and Russia countries are million Yahudiism, Yahudiist religious follower are living there. But I assure you and guarantee and challenging to Israel and Yahudiism scholar and philosophers. They are not, they haven't any good study and good research of the religious VIP department education. Also, they haven't any education of about they belong him, like Torah, Zabur, Injil, and Bible. So there are many billions of Muslim countries, Muslim population, follower of Islam, uh, greatest religious of the worldwide, the greatest Islam. The religious belong the greatest last messenger, last prophet of the holy greatest king of the universal God, the respectful with good compliment, the greatest holy Muhammad, son of the Abdullah, the belong from Abraham alayhi salam, family of Abraham alayhi salam. And greatest Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his greatest holy book, last book, and mother of the holy universal holy books, Al-Quranul Kareem, Al-Furqanul Hamid, Al-Quranul Kareem, Suhuf, yani Suhuf, Mushaf Sharif, Al-Muqaddas, Kitabullah Muqaddas. So, they belong Islam. There are billions Muslim follower, Muslim love Islam, love Muhammad, love Holy Book of Quran. So like that same, who are the follower of the which religious, they all follower haven't any good knowledges of the Holy Book and the religious book histories and knowledges and the detail and true path. So there are some difficulties and making problem for the followers. That is a very greatest mistake and wrong policy of terrorism society, and there are many million terrorism and terrorists are living in the worldwide in all countries. Attention, those all of them, you are very have making a very great mistake. So excuse with the holy greatest God and to make a good activation and behave truly as a human rights for peace, love, brotherhood and justice, and you must get a good truth path of the religious holy books education of messengers education to make your good life for bright future for the whole worldwide, to make a good successful very victoriable and a grateful holy life. That is a humanity, our messages for humanity or human rights and human kind services department, all of the worldwide in the worldwide. So you must have to careful about the great uneducated terrorism, terrorist societies, terrorist unions. They belong with many religious parties, but we don't accept that they are a Muslim or they are a Yahudiist or they are a Christian or they are a Hinduist or they are a Sikhism or they are a other belong of religious, but it is, I want to say directly one only thing, they are not human and they are not humanity belief, they do not have belief humanity, human rights, love, brotherhood, peace and justice, and they do not believe God, holy greatest God, God education and the messenger of God, and they do not believe. That is a very big and great mistaken followers terrorist and terrorism department. So I hopefully with all good nation and good United States countries and the worldwide Islamic countries are doing very well to make a good way and peace way in the worldwide in all countries, very gratefully and very successfully guidance and helping and supporting. Because in the worldwide there are nothing anything except education, good guidance, good helping, supporting, good make friendship, relationship with humanity, human rights, societies, communities, human rights and education field department and the international internet worldwide human rights and human communication link and helping and supporting societies. So that is a way and great way to find good humanity, friendship and peace and love, brotherhood and justice, peace and justice for the all nations, all countries in the whole world, for the humanity and for the way of truth path to get a very excellent, successful, great, bright future. That is our my message of the Ziqat, the greatest holy month of Ziqat, and the greatest English June, new month of June in the 21st century, and the Ziqat Mubarak Mukarram, the month, holy month of Islamic month, belong 1442 years. So I hopefully most welcome my all gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, all my ladies and gentlemen, brotherhood, human rights, friendship, fans, lover and follower over all program and inviting and linking and connecting us. Most welcome. Thank you very much. Very good happiness. God help us and blessing you and us in our all efforts and love life, friendship and grateful to make very greatest bright future always, all the time, everywhere, all of in the worldwide. Most welcome. Thank you very much. Have a good and nice days and day and night, successful life and friendship and loveful friendship. Most welcome. Thank you very much. Always I welcoming you. Thank you. Goodbye. See you. Always inshallah ta'ala. Most welcome. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Subhanaka rabbana rabbil izzati amma yasifun. Wassalamun alal mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Allahumma anta salam minka salam tabarakta ya zul jalal wal ikram. وصلى الله تعالى على خير خلقه محمد وعلى آله وصحابه ومهديين والمرسلين روح الله القدس السلام وآبائنا الأولين وآخرين وظاهرين وباطنين في كل مقام على كل أرض برحمتك ذو الجلال والإكرام ذو الفضل العالمي رزاق ذو القوة المتين اللهم صل وسلم بارك على سيدنا مولانا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد ربنا آتنا في الدنيا بكل حسنة رفع درجاتنا والشفاء والكرم ورزق الحلال الطيب والصحة والعافية وربنا الآخرة وجعل الآخرة حسنة بكل حسنة ونصر من الله فتح قريب مبين برحمتك دائما وأبدا وقنا عذاب النار وجهنم صلى الله تعالى على خير خلق محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين برحمة